Okay, hello YouTube. So in this video today, we're going to be unboxing the Amazon Fire HD 8-inch tablet. This is the 16 gigabyte model, and I just got it in today, and I got it in marine blue. Marine blue is my favorite color, so we're going to go ahead and unbox it, and we're going to take a look at it right here, and we're going to see what comes in the box. So let's have a look. So we're going to just unbox it right here, just right here like that. I'm going to show it to you. And first of all, it comes in this plastic. They wrap it in a plastic. Amazon's packaging is fairly interesting. First they wrap it in this plastic, and then it comes in like a what people would describe as a tent shape packaging right here, just like that. Kind of almost like a bag, right? An envelope or something. Oops, bumped the camera. Hey, you got some specifications right there. Just want to pause the camera and look at that. Pictures of the tablet at the bottom. No specs on the side. So, okay, how do we open it? Let's take a look here. I gotta take it off camera for a while so I can see it up close. Okay, it seems to me like we pull a tab. So that's what we do. We pull this tab right here. This little tab is gonna come with a little tab. I think you've got one on each side, if I'm not mistaken. You do have one on each side. It doesn't matter what side you pull from. And of course, with Amazon's famous easy open, you pull to tear and it opens. I like how Amazon does that. I really like how they do that. It's hassle-free package opening. So when you open it, what you do is you pull this, so you get a little tab right here, just like that. Let's turn it around like this so you guys can see it. You get a little tab, and there you can already see the tablet right there. So we're gonna pull, and out comes the tablet. Oh, and it's all nested. Oh, well, I got stuff falling everywhere. I was gonna say it's all nested in this packaging, and which it is. There's the tablet right there, but I've got stuff falling over here on the floor. So let me just lean down and pick it up and see what we got. We have, let's see, I'll show you, we got some. Okay, so we have the tablet here. We'll take a look at that in a while. We have some documentation. Apparently we do. So let's see if there isn't any personal information that I might not be unaware of. I hope I didn't drop anything else that I can't see. I gotta get down so low to see the ground. It's unbelievable. Okay, well, let's just hope I didn't drop anything else. This chair is so wobbly. All right, so off camera, I'm going to take a look real quick here. So we have the charging adapter, wall wart, whatever you want to call it. This is it right here. It's got your typical USB and your standard American plug. North American plug. Yeah, so if you live anywhere in Europe or anywhere, you would have the weird looking 3-prong round pins, but this is the standard USA plug. And we get some, let's see what we got here. I'm looking at it off camera right now. So for any of I do have some subscribers that are visually impaired, so I'm going to get a little descriptive here. I am unboxing the HD tablet on a, should I say, maroon background. It's basically just a towel that I'm using. And what I have shown so far is is the wall adapter. It's black in color. It has a USB port, and it has the standard USA plug on it, and it's got a, see, I think that's a sticker. Well, it's black on one end and it's white on the other end where you plug it in. So right there. All right. Next I got, let's see, I'm looking at it off camera again. What I have is like a quick start guide. I have a quick start guide, a small little documentation. The front of it is black with white lettering. It says Fire HD 8, and below it says, let's see, I can bring it up close to the camera where I can see it. It says Amazon. So it's the Amazon logo. It opens up, like a little leaflet, and it's a quick start guide. So you have all, the picture instructions on there for how to charge it and how to plug it in and so on. So that's what you got right there. That's your quick start manual, which a lot of people don't read, right? So what else do we have here? We also have another little leaflet here, another small little leaflet that spans out, kind of like a brochure type thing. This one is orange in color with black and white. Black and white text over it, orange background. The top of it does say Fire. I'm gonna get closer here. Fire tablet. Okay, do more with your Fire tablet, and it has the Amazon logo below it in black letters. It also spans out like a brochure type deal, and there's more literature inside. Let's take a look here. Okay, it's telling you about. It's just telling you more stuff about it. Alexa and I hope I don't set her off. She's in the other room, but let's see if she doesn't go off. So anyway, yeah, this is just more information, more literature about the tablet and its features. So you get two little leaflet booklets here. One's a quick start guide, and one is just extra information. Now, let's see what else we're looking at. Okay, I'm holding the package content that it came in. Just a black cardboard with a little pocket underneath that contained all of the contents. And let's see if there's anything else in here. This is the cover. This is the main packaging that it came in. Nice bright orange background with a picture of the tablet. Fire HD, Fire in white letters, and HD 8 in black letters. And the whole packaging is all orange. So now what I don't see here, unless if it's on the ground and I cannot find it for any reason, because I did have stuff fall everywhere, so I'm trying to see if I can see it anywhere. What I don't see is a cable. I do see the charging dock deal, but I don't see a cable. So I don't know if this thing comes with a cable or not. I don't actually see a charging cable, but it might be down here on the floor. I probably just can't see it. So once again, I'm here. I am ducking all the way to the floor because I'm trying to see if I can find it. It would be unusual for it not to come with a cable, right? Okay. And okay. Oh yeah, I just knew it. See, it's a black cable on a dark brown floor, so difficult for me to see. I had to get close. I found it, and my dog is barking. So here's the cable. Never mind, my little chihuahua's out there barking. Yeah, crazy dog. So yeah, this is the cable, the USB cable. We'll go ahead and unwrap that right here real quick for you. And you get your typical standard USB, and this plugs into the wart to plug in, the wall wart, that's what they call it. And I think here we have, let me look on the camera. I think we have micro USB. Okay, I'm trying to get the camera to see. Okay, you guys can probably help me see that. I'm thinking it's micro USB. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. And now, so those are all the accessories right here that you see on the side right here. Those are all the accessories. Now let's take a look at the tablet. This is the tablet right here, the Fire HD tablet. Like I say, I've had an Amazon tablet before, but I had the very first generation tablet, which was known as the Kindle Fire. I'm sure y'all remember that. I was not too happy with the performance on that one. Apparently they say that this has got better performance, so we're gonna see. The only thing, the only thing that I'm probably not gonna like about it is the fact that it does have Android, but it's still locked down to Amazon's proprietary GUI. So it's basically, they're calling it Fire OS, but it's basically, again, just kind of like their own little desktop version. So it's not the stock Android. That's the only thing that kind of disappoints me a little bit about it. What I have heard is that you can sideload the Google Play Store. So I'm going to be testing that out. We're going to find out how true that is, or I'll do some research. So here I have clear plastic packaging that the tablet was in. I've just pulled the tablet out, and this is the tablet. Nice. It's got a small black bezel with the camera on top. You got the screen. I'm looking at the front of it. There are no physical buttons on the front of the tablet. And I am now turning the tablet over to the back side. It's a nice clear, it's a nice marine blue color. The camera is on the left side, on the upper left side corner. You have a Amazon logo just a little bit further down. It's pretty tactile, and some more information right here. And we'll look at the top of it real quick. And then the top of it right here, we have right here, looking at it from the front view, and we'll flip it over. I'm back to the front view. And okay, right here too, from right to left, we have the volume rocker buttons right here on the very left hand side of the top, followed by the headphone jack in the center, and what looks like the charging port, the micro USB charging port. Yeah, it is micro USB right there. And right below it, to the very far right, is the on switch, or button, should I say. It's not really a switch. Moving to the left side of the tablet, looking at it from the front, we have one speaker, or we have two speakers. We have little grill holes, which I think these are the speakers. And now moving to the other side of the tablet, on the right side, we have a slot here. I'm thinking that might be a card slot for your expansion memory right here. So if we're looking at it from the front and you kind of touch the side of it, there's like a little indent there. So that might be a card slot. As I slide down below my finger on the right hand side, there is nothing. I'm now flipping the tablet over from the bottom and just sliding my finger across the bottom part of the tablet, and there is nothing. Normally there would be charging ports or something down here, but it seems like Amazon placed everything across the top. Okay, so let's see. So now let's see if, I'm sure it's going to require a setup, but let's see if it turns on. It should be charged. So you hold the button down, you hear the little logo. And right now what is happening is the Amazon logo is now lighting up on the screen. It says Fire, and it looks like it's loading something. You have little dots moving from left to right. This is the first time setup, so it might take a while. I'm going to take it off screen real quick to make sure no personal information comes on, because these devices do come, if I'm not mistaken, they do come pre-registered to your account. So unfortunately, no, we have an orange background with a welcome screen, and it says welcome to Fire, and it has pictures of the tablet, and it has information scrolling below that, which I cannot read because it's too small. I'm going to take it off camera so I can look at it. Okay, we have different languages, something that it says choose your language and so on. Okay, so I think we're in the setup screen right here, and it's asking me to choose my language. Yeah, this is kind of like a setup screen right here. I can choose my language if I wanted to. And I also, down here below, I can set my font size, which I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm going to choose my language, so I'm going to take it off camera again. I'm going to take a look, and I'm going to choose English. So I want English, and I can't see that. That is very small, guys. It's very dark and very small. For anybody who's watching my videos for the first time, I am legally blind, so please bear with me. And I'm being descriptive because I have other legally blind subscribers as well. So I'm going to take it off camera. I'm going to take a look. So I do have English, United States. Okay. That's what I want. Okay. I'm going to leave that there. Okay, so I'm going to do my font. And I do want my font as large as I can get it. And right there will be good. Okay, so I have set my... There we go. Okay, I made it bigger so it says English, United States. That's where I want. You can see the font is a little larger now, and now I'm going to click the continue button so I can go on. And let's make sure there's no personal information. Okay, there is my... we're going to go ahead and stop the setup here and come back on, and I'll show you later more stuff in the video because this is my Wi-Fi and I have to enter my password. So we're going to go ahead and stop the video right here, guys. So that is the... I keep wanting to say Kindle, but it's not Kindle. It's the Amazon Fire HD 8-inch tablet. This is the 16 gigabyte model. And I will come back with more videos and show you all more about this tablet in later videos. So you guys take care. Peace. Have a great day. And hey, finally another video, right? I've been out of the loop for quite some while, and I apologize for that. But I'll try to get some content out. I've been doing some vlogs here and there, but actually products are hard to come by. Since I've mentioned before, no sponsorship. So everything you see here is stuff that I purchased, and my nephew's been helping me, so he buys stuff and we come over and we do unboxings as well. So anyway, guys, y'all have a great day, and I hope y'all have had a wonderful holiday. So you all take care, and I will talk to you all later and see you in my next video.